Hi, my name is Jason. I run a small solar panel and battery installation business out of Melbourne called Jet Solar. Due to our rapid growth in the last 12 months, we've had to upgrade our website and our online presence, as I had a very average stock website before this. So I came across the team at Creative Nerds and they've designed a solar battery specific website. And so far it's had proven results and been successful, not only in sales, but also in our online support via our inquiry form online. Look, they're very easy to deal with, Creative Nerds. If I ever need to change anything or edit anything, it's just a quick message and it's done pretty much straight away. And not only that, we can also monitor the website traffic, where our customers or our website people come from, and that also helps in our marketing program. I'll definitely recommend the guys at Creative Nerds. They're very professional, and they just do a great job. So yeah, thanks a lot to them.